15th of May 2025. We are at Azad Maidan, and the purpose of we coming with these coconut shells, potties, is to beg. Now we have reached the stage to beg. First we were asking. Now we are begging from the Honorable Chief Minister to give us what is already there in the budget. It is not that they have to appropriate, create some head, find the money somewhere. The money is there in the budget and the money is not being given. So in this scenario, it is going to get difficult. In the month of March, I have informed the government, that is the Honorable Social Welfare Minister, who is also the Minister for Persons with Disability, that by end of May, we will be running out of resources. And he was very clear, त्याने दोन्ही डायरेक्टराक सांगला एका पैसे 15th of March दी, 15th of May तेका दी. हे तेका सांगता आमी सप्लिमेंटरी बजेटान काय कितें स्टोरी सांगले. तो म्हणाला आपल्याक इंटरेस्टेड ना ते सप्लिमेंटरी बजेटी, आता तुम्ही तेका पैसे दिया. So Honorable CM या बजेटान which has happened on 26th of March, he has put the money without any proposal going from the department into the budget. म्हणजे कितें पैसे तांकां दिले. आता दिले कोणेन? सीएमान. ओके, म्हणजे सीएम सांगता कितें आमकां, तुमी घरां बंद करी नाकाय, आमकडे पयशे आहा. सो ह्या वर्साक म्हाका दिसना अशें केन्ना तरी केलें की हेंच्यांनी पयशे पयलेच दिले आनी विदावट प्रपोजल. म्हाका खबर ना. आतां आमकां पयशे केन्ना येतले? सद्याक सेक्रेटरी जे आहा तो रिटायर जावपाचो आहा 31st of May. सो दुसरो सेक्रेटरी येयलो आनी तेणे तो अप्रूव करूंक ना जाल्यार आमी हांगाच उरले. So we cannot carry forward beyond May because we don't have the money. The issue is, आम्ही एक पट्ट्यो घेवन येयला सीएमा कडेन भीक मागपाक, बाबा तूं जे पयशे आमकां प्रॉमिस केले ते तरी दी. आमी तुका उपकार करिना आनी तूं आमकां उपकार करिना. तुवें ऑलरेडी घातले बजेटान. आतां तुमचो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन काम करिना जाल्यार आमी कितें करूं? लोक कितें करता न्हू, सकलसून वयर वयता. आमी वयरसून सकल येयलो. सीएमाक आमी एक्सप्लेन केलो तो अंडरस्टँड जालो, मिनिस्टराक एक्सप्लेन केलो तो अंडरस्टँड जालो, सेक्रेटरीक एक्सप्लेन केलो तो. आतां दीस हायरार्की हॅज कम नाव टू द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. नाव वेन इज द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन गोइंग टू मूव? वी हॅव रेनी सीजन नेक्स्ट मंथ. सद्याक टेन्शन बंद जाला बॉर्डरीचेर. तो टेन्शन वाडलो जाल्यार आमी कितें हे खातले? 200 लोक आमचे ना. हे फक्त 1/3 काय 1/4 हाडलो. म्हाकाय खबर ना कितले जाणां हाडला ते. सो इन दीस सिनारियो देर इज नो ऑल्टरनेटीव. We have written letters. There is a proposal given in the department in January to release the funds. The money is given in March and we have reached May. Now if the administration is not keen to help us, then we don't have any alternative. You already have one home shut down in Tenjim and I don't think anybody else wants us to shut down. It looks like certain administration wants us to shut down. Or certain administration wants to just waste our time, get these people here in the heat and go merry-go-round the bush. So with these potties now, we will be going to CM's bungalow to remind him, Papa, you have not given us what you have put in the budget. And there is no other alternative.
Budget allowed.
Budget has been allotted to what we asked. The figures are good, the grant is good, there's not problem with the budget. The problem is, where is the money? इतल्या वर्सां आमी आतां रस्त्यार येता ते म्हणटा रिअप्रोप्रिएट करूंक जाय, हाडूंक जाय, अपील करूंक जाय. ठीक आहे, ह्या वर्सा सीएमान पयशे दिले न्हू, आतां तुका फक्त ऑर्डर काडूंक जाय. आतां ती ऑर्डर काडपाक कोण काडटलो? एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. सो फायनान्स आमकां हिसाबता बाबा तुमी पयशे केन्ना व्हरतले आमचे कडेन? आमी म्हणटा कोण दितले पयशे? दिवंक जाय न्हू पयशे कोणेन? पळय बेश्टे वयतल्यान हाडटले पयशे. because he is the finance minister and the chief minister, he has put the money in the budget without the proposal going from the government. Department and पैसे मागूंक ना, तेणे पैसे दिले हांकां, and both these departments have got extra money. One department had got, they asked for 560, he got 562.6. One department asked for 28, he got 29.2. So he's got extra. Whatever we asked CM to put, they put in the budget.
Okay, what is the condition of your shelter home right today?
We can survive till end of May. Till end of May, I have 30 lakh rupees to cover my expenses. After that, I have a problem. And I don't want to last minute say that we have closed down like how they closed down last minute. We don't want to make that confusion. We are telling the Honorable Chief Minister, we are only talking to the Chief Minister, nobody else. Because he is the responsible person. He is the person who is giving the instructions. He is the in charge of the state. He is in charge of the police and he is in charge of the administration. आता सगळ्यांक पांया पडोंक बगर तो म्हाका सांगता तो म्हाज्या पांया पड, तुज्या पांया कित्याक पडोंक? अरे तुवें मनीस हांव मनीस मरे, तुज्या पांया पडपाक हांव बेश्टो आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू फॉरवर्ड युअर फीट. तुका प्रॉब्लम आहा तुमी सीएमाक सांगा न्हू.
रिजन कितें आसा तुमकां?
That let the Honorable CM ask that. I am not saying anything. I want my money. That's all. We don't want to get into any acquisitions. We don't want to get into any mudslinging. We don't want to point fingers. The money is given in the budget. It has to be given to us. When are we going to get it? That we will go and ask the CM. Otherwise, by next Monday, Tuesday, we'll have 200 people here and we'll be begging on the street. Today, the kotti is only in 3 hands. None of the people have got the kottis. We will take a parade in Panjim with the kottis with 200 people and it will be a very bad thing. Boy, एक कितें आसता न्हू, एक लिमीट आसता. हांव तो सारको ना, तुमी म्हाका बंद करा, ऑर्डर काडा, आमकां सगळ्यांक डिसमेंटल करा आनी बंद करा. आमी सारके आहा जाल्यार आमचे पयशे दिया आनी तांकां विचार तुमी पयशे कित्याक दिता. Very simple logic. You don't have any shelter homes in Goa. You don't have any midway homes in Goa. You have nothing to, your one-stop center is in crisis. Your orphanages are in the bigger crisis. So everything is collapsing. We are come here today to tell the Honorable CM, only the Honorable CM, you have put the money in the budget. We thank you very much. Please release it to us today. I have given him a letter on Monday saying that we want to meet him on 15th regarding the money not being paid to us. He has not replied. So until we don't go and visit him, how will we know he got a problem? Or how will he know? ताका कळ्ळें आमचें आमकडे प्रॉब्लम आहा म्हणून. जितले फाटी आमी ताजे कडेन गेले ताणें पयशे दिले आमकां, ताका खबर आहा प्रॉब्लम आहा म्हणून. आतां हे तो ताका प्रॉब्लम सांगिना तर आमी कितें करूंक शकता? पण आमी मरे फायनान्साक सांगला, स्पेशल ब्रांचाक सांगला, PIक सांगला, DYSPक सांगला, बाबा आमी आयज येता, आमकां पयशे दिवं ना. आनी कोणाक सांगू? तेंचेर ताका सांगूंक जाय न्हू, बाबा हे येता पट्ट्यो घेवन. आनी कितें, आनी सोल्युशन कितें आहा? पळय, आनी एक प्रॉब्लम वाडपाचो आहा जे आमी पयलेच सांगता एडवान्सान. आमचो मेंटल हॉस्पिटल आहा न्हू तो 190 बेड्साचो आहा. तो 400 बेड जावपाचो आहा आयदर इन डिसेंबर ओ आयदर बाय मे 2026. 400 बेड म्हणजे कितें? इतलो तुजो मेंटल लोड वाडटा, तेका लागून तें हॉस्पिटल बांदता. The next mental hospital is 250 kilometers away from here, in the next district. तो हॉस्पिटलाचो बेड हा 375. तो फक्त चलता 125. त्या जाग्यान मेन्स होम ना, त्या डिस्ट्रिक्टान मेन्स होम ना. तो सगळो लोक ट्रेनीन घालता, बशीन घालता आनी हांगा धाडटा. जेन्ना तुजे 400 बेड चालू जातले तुका 1000 बेड भायर जाय. कित्याक आमचे कडेन 3 डिस्ट्रिक्ट आहा जे आमच्या मेंटल हॉस्पिटलाक सरावंड करता. 4 डिस्ट्रिक्ट तो जे 4 डिस्ट्रिक्ट आनी आमचं मेंटल हॉस्पिटल 250 किलोमिटर्स मिनिमम डिस्टन्स आहा. तेजो मोदी लोक वयतलो खंय? हे आतां इतले लोक जे हांगा आहा न्हू ते सगळे गोंयकार. फक्त 2 काय 3 जाण पुलिशेन हाडल्या ते नॉन गोवा. सो आमी फक्त गोंयकाराक घेता. 7 दीस जाले IPHB कोणाकूच एडमीट करिना. तो लोक वयता खंय कोणाकूच खबर ना. सगळे आमकां फोन मारून सांगता हेका वच तेका वच. मिनिस्टर मारता फोन, MLA मारता फोन, सरपंच मारता फोन, पुलीस मारता फोन. व्हरपाचें काय व्हरपाचें ना. व्हरपाचें जाल्यार आमकां पयशे मेळोंक जाय, व्हरपाचें ना जाल्यार तुमी हांकां व्हरा जाल्यार दिया कितें. हॉस्पिटल थिंगा IPHB हांव सांगता कितें जालें 7 दीस पयलीं. पेशंटाक आहा ड्रुलींग. ओके, पेशंटाक आहा ड्रुलींग म्हणजे कितें म्हणटा रे कोंकणी?
लाव गावता.
हां,
लाव गावता.
हां, ताका एक वखद आहा. IPHBन वखद बरयला with the just one alphabet change, which is for diabetes. ओके, आता हे आमकां त्रास काडूंक जाय. आतां आमी टेक्निकल मनीस न्हू, ताका लागून आमचे कडेन 2 फूल टायम डॉक्टर आहा. खंयचेच शेल्टर होम, ओल्ड एज होम, खंयचेच ऑर्गनायझेशन 24/7 2 डॉक्टर आसचेच ना. तांकां पगार दितलो कोण हांव? आतां तुमी तर मिस्टेक करता. बिकॉज ऑफ वन अल्फाबेट द मेडिसीन इज गॉट डिफरंट मेडिसीन. आतां डॉक्टर दवरला चॅक करपाक, आमचे डॉक्टर हो हे कितले पेशंट आहा ते कितें बरयतात आनी आमी दीत रावता वखद. आमकां धांवचें पडटा. कळ्ळें जातलें तें. आनी एक केस सांगता IPHBतल्यान. IPHB इज नॉट अ बॅड गाय. द प्रॉब्लम इज द डिमांड इज टू मच. दे आर स्ट्रेस्ड एंड वी ऑल्सो आर स्ट्रेस्ड. आनी एक केस सांगता. 15 दीस पयलीं आमी पेशंटाक घेवन गेले गोंयकार करून आनी डॉक्टराक सांगलें IPHB हेका मातसो एडमीट कर. डॉक्टर सांगता ताका फक्त आवाज येता न्हू कानान, जेन्ना वायलंट जाता ताका पत्तून घेवन. त्याच पेशंटाक 2 दीस पयलीं घेवन गेले. ताका एडमीट केलो आनी काल तो वायलंट जालो. ताका आतां GMCन घातलो. आतां जेन्ना आमी कितें सांगता तुमी आयकना. सो हेंकां कशें पळयतले आमी काय देव काय आमी काय मशीन? आमी मनीस. आमकांय स्ट्रेस आहा, आमकांय टायम शॉर्टेज आहा, आमकांय दुसरें पळोवंक जाय. सो एका घरान इतले प्रॉब्लम आहा तो सॉल्व करतलो कोण? थिंगा IPHB आमी फोन करून सांगले एडमीट कर, ते एडमीट करीत ना. फक्त वर म्हणटा. सो दीस सिस्टम कॅनॉट वर्क. Today's Kotti is brought is to tell the Honorable CM, boss, please give us the money or close us down if you want.
Why the 2 Kottis?
One is 2020.
सुबेज मेळटाले फुडल्या वर्सा आमकां येवपाची गरज ना न्हू. आतां स म्हयन्यांनी आमकां तुमी देंवयता मरे रस्त्यार. आतां तुमकां कांय पडलेलेच ना न्हू. हय बेश्टे येना आमी न्हू. आमी सोशल मिडियाचेर घालता, मिनिस्टराक धाडटा, सगळ्यांक सांगता. तरी पूण तुमी इंट्रस्ट घेना. म्हणजे तुमी कितें म्हणटा रस्त्यार यो, बोगो मार, मातसो आवाज कर, मागीर पयशे व्हर. तर तेंच करचें पडलें न्हू वर्साच्या वर्सा. आनी सोल्युशन कांय ना न्हू. आनी सोल्युशन कांय ना.
डिले कित्याक जाता पयशे दिवपाक? फाटल्या फावटी तुमी बोवाड केलो मागीर पयशे दिले
सो तेच सांगता न्हू.
कित्याक?
त्या पर्यंत आमी बोगो मारिना, त्या पर्यंत पयशे दिना. आतां पयलीं कितें जातालें, डिपार्टमेंट म्हणटाले फायनान्सा कडेन पयशे ना. आतां ह्या वर्सा फायनान्सान पयशे घातले न्हू, ते सकयल पावले ती दी मरे आमकां. आतां तुमकां टायम ना दिवपाक आमी कितें करूं?
कोण दिना तो?
डायरेक्टर्स दोनूय डिपार्टमेंटांतले. आतां तांकां हांव बोगोर वचोन येता तर सांगता कोत्ता म्हणून. एक तर म्हाका सांगता तूं म्हाका खंय खबर की पयशे तुका दिला म्हणून. अरे म्हटलें सांगता न्हू हांव दिला म्हणून. तूं फायनान्साक विचार मरे फोन करून ते पयशे कित्याक दिला, आपल्याक एक्स्ट्रा कित्याक मेळ्ळे बजेटान? खंयच्या डिपार्टमेंटाक एक्स्ट्रा पयशे मेळना. जितले मागले तितलेच दितले. तुका एक्स्ट्रा मेळले न्हू. जेन्ना एक्स्ट्रा मेळले आमी सांगलें न्हू ते बाबा ते पयशे आमचे. आतां 45 डेज जाले न्हू. बजेट केन्ना जालें? 26 मार्च. हे 45 डेज आनी ते 50 दीस जाले मरे. फाल्यां तर जूज पुतून जाले आमी कितें करूं? देर इज नो सपोर्ट सिस्टम. सी कोणाकूच मरे एम्पथी ना हे असले मनशाक. फक्त बोब मारपाचे. आमी हे केलें ते केलें ते कोत्ता तुमी ना म्हणना. जे पडलेले आहा ते करा न्हू पयले. जे आमचे कडेन पड हेंचे कडेन DSS कार्ड्स ना, हेंचे कडेन पेन्शन ना. CMन प्रॉमीस केला तो सांगता आपल्याक CMाक सांग, आपल्याक फोन करून सांग तुका दी म्हणून. सो CMन एक फावटी कितें पॅक करपाचें सगल्यांक न्हू. एक आमकां पॅक कर काय एक तांकां पॅक कर. काय कितें तरी सिस्टम दी आमकां न्हू. फाल्यां तुमचे जेन्ना 400 बेड वाडटले तो लोक उरलो लोक वयतलो खंय? ते आमचेच कडेन येतले. आमी तर घेना. लोक म्हणटा पळय हेंची पोटां भरली. एक दोग जाण एक्टिविस्ट आसले. हांव वायट म्हणना. म्हाका म्हणटा तुका कित्याक व्हरोंक जायना? अरे म्हणटा तेका सिस्टम ना व्हरपाक. बेश्टो उखलून व्हरोंक कोणाकूय तुमी बेश्टो बोब मारता म्हणा. हांवें म्हणलें तूं सिस्टम फॉलो कर. एका एक्टिविस्टान सिस्टम फॉलो केलो ते पेशंट हांगा आहा. दुसऱ्या एक्टिविस्टान सिस्टम लोक कितें उलयता आमचे ट्रोल करता, नेगेटीव कमेंट मागता, कितें स्प्रेड रुमर करता बाबा हेच व्हरना. अरे व्हरतलो गो. ताका एक सिस्टम आहा न्हू.
this thing is, having been part of the administration at one time, and also having been the SP in charge of anti-corruption, when everything is cleared, it has only reached what has to be dispersed is at the level of the director of those departments. I hate to presume or believe that this is being done so that they may get some incentive from an organization. I hate to make this allegation, but this is the impression that goes around. Others, what else is left when the political leadership, the senior bureaucracy has cleared all these files? You have to only disperse. Either your ego is too big, which needs to be punctured, or you are expecting something which you actually don't deserve. You should be doing your work. This is the only thing I can say. What do we gain from here? What am I gaining? Am I getting some money or something from this? It is our concern for society, just as we all are also concerned. We have to do something. So my appeal to them is clear that damn files, and it doesn't require, if and especially in administration, if required, if the political will is there, within 24 hours things get cleared. But this is, we are sending intimations, sending all these things, still there is no reaction. Either sawdust is filling their brains or they are so thick-skinned that they are least bothered. That is my only appeal to the district, that please highlight that there is a gap between the mouth and the hand. These people, absolutely. And I hope they don't expect that they should get something from these people. We are just a medium, and Donald has been working so hard for it. Just a by medium. What does he get? What do we get? Nothing. They should also not expect anything. It is dispersal to these people.
What is your appeal on that?
Sorry.
Appeal.
My real appeal is clear the damn files. Why are you sleeping on it? Don't try and tell him that, this fellow has not told me, that fellow. Your duty, find out, is it yes or no? And tell us straight away, it is not clear. Don't keep this ambiguity continuing. It's embarrassment for a small state like Goa that we have to come every time on the streets. No conscience this guy has got.
And we will try to beat him. If we don't beat him today, by next Wednesday, there will be 200 people roaming around Panjim with this in their hand. And that will be not a good something for us. See, today we didn't make them, it is not their fault, it is my fault. So I have not given them these kuttis. The kuttis are in my hand. He is one volunteer, he is one volunteer. He is separate and he is the manager. No kutti in his hand. I cannot make him catch the kutti. So, with these kuttis now, and we have the full bag of kuttis here. We can give everybody to carry, but we will not do that. We will go to CM's bungalow so that CM also understands, Baba, your administration is taking you for granted, taking me for granted, and taking the poor people for granted. Now we cannot be taken for granted. So there is no other solution. And this is only 1/3 or 1/4 strength we have. Moment 200 people come, it will become a mess. More, see how much police outside. We will have to bring more police there. So we will proceed now to CM's bungalow and we will apprise him. Baba, this is the current scenario. You have given the money, but they are not giving us the money. We don't even know if we are going to get the money or not. And I cannot wait. I have money only till end of May. After that, I don't have any money.